Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to turn this avocado into a spider. We are also going to make this spider web to hang it easily. If you like this craft, please support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we will be using avocado skin or rind, 3 pieces craft paper, jute string, tissue paper, 4 pieces pipe cleaner, googly eyes, hot glue, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. We'll be using a half avocado for this project. Let's prepare the avocado skin by scooping the flesh out until it's completely clean. Then wipe it dry with paper towels. Stuff it with crumpled paper towel to maintain the shape. Dry it at least for a day, avoiding direct sunlight. For a few hours, it will turn into a shell-like texture. Now take the pipe cleaners and cut it into half. And bend the pointed edges. Find a pair and choose the body part and the head part. For the spider's head, carefully trim the rind to fit together with the body. Test it out first if the parts can fit together well before applying glue. We can now stick the head and the body together. Make sure that both parts are of the same size. Then crumple some paper towels and stuff it inside the rind or shell. Then apply some glue and start sticking the pipe cleaner legs. Apply more glue around the shell, then attach the other half of the spider. Tuck in the excess tissue that is coming out of the shell. Apply more glue to secure the two parts together. Hold and push it together for a few seconds to avoid any gap. Then arrange and form the legs. And we can now stick the eyes. Our avocado spider is now ready. We can now start making the spider's web. Take the 3 craft papers and roll it into a paper stick. Roll it firmly to make it nice and thin. Then arrange and attach the 3 paper sticks as shown. And push it down in the middle with your fingers to flatten them together. Then take the jute string and wind the string in the middle to secure the sticks together. To start with the web, apply some glue 3 cm from the middle. Wind the string around the sticks. For a stronger web, apply glue on each stick as you wind the string around it. Stretch and pull the string as you wind it around each stick. Tie the strings together for each completed layer. We are going to have 4 layers for this web. The gap for each web is about 3 centimeters. Repeat the same steps for the remaining layers. For the last layer, leave a longer string before cutting it to make the handle. And finally, we can now put the spider on the web. There you have it, your very own avocado spider and DIY spider web. I hope you enjoyed making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.